That's right, we're doing it during the loading screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to JT Channel. Welcome back to No Man's Sky. I cannot apologize profusely enough or in enough languages for the hiatus between not just No Man's Sky plays, but on my channel. I said this in the Doom video. There will be a video explaining my hiatus later on. It's not much to explain, but I'll talk about it and everything. But as I've mentioned in the past, Doom Eternal is on PlayStation Premium, which I can't always have. So I want to try to get through that game, beat it, see all I can see before I potentially lose Premium, which I shouldn't this time. But that's not a good excuse for not playing No Man's Sky. You guys are clearly enjoying this. I think one of my recent videos got like the most views I've had in a long time, and even a comment and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to be back on No Man's Sky a little more. And once Doom Eternal is beat, probably going to be back on No Man's Sky a hell of a lot more. There are some potential changes coming to the channel I should mention for those of you watching this. But I don't want to mention them until they're more guaranteed. So just for now, plan on me beating Doom Eternal and continuing No Man's Sky. Okay. New mission available. Okay, continue. Okay. Purchase technology blueprints for new base parts. Undertake missions. Report the appearance of a null to Nada. I already did. The Mind Arc. Oh, man. So, wait. Polo. I gotta go back to Polo. Polo. The fuck am I? Oh, okay. Sorry, I couldn't see where I was. And for those of you who like behind the scenes stuff, I'm recording this mere moments, like maybe a minute after I recorded that Doom video. So just for those of you who are curious about behind the scenes stuff, it's like, oh, I wonder when he records. Usually I record one video in a day, but with WrestleMania weekend going on, and my wife and daughter are taking a nap, so I have a little free time. With everything going on, I figured I might as well. I don't want to go down, I need to go up. What the frickin' fickle flackle? Okay, Polo. Polo. Nada says you have met Missing Friend. Missing Friend did not like me. Ask about Null. They are not like me or like Nada. They have freedom, like all of you traveler friends. They do not share the sights they see. They hoard them. They are jealous. Polo does not approve. Okay. Oh, I gotta get black holes and Atlas stations and stuff. They're not like me. You can still go to planets. Okay. Atlas station coordinates. Polo nods, serious. They send coordinate data from Atlas station to my starship computer. Journey milestone wreath. Return to the Atlas interface. Okay. I'm not interested, sorry. I'm playing the main game. This happened a lot lately. People hopping on and aboard the anomaly while I'm in here. Alright, let's go to my ship. Look at all those ships. Maybe someday that would be cool to undertake an online mission. But look at all, again, look at the ships. They're so cool. I have basic ass ship number 1. Just renamed it. Bona, face of death, the singularity, whatever. I am busy. So last time we were investigating the Sentinels, I think, and trying to figure out what they were up to on top of what the Korvax, that's what they are. The Korvax might have had something to do with it at one point. They're not all evil, but some of them were apparently. Alright, to an Atlas station, I guess. I'm gonna fly out into space a little bit, get away from the anomaly. Okay, so galaxy map. Goo. I have to go to the goo. It's out of jump range. That's where I have to go. I'm pretty sure. No filter. destination. Atlas Station. Yeah, it's down here. So I have to jump twice. Hang on, let me back up. So, can I zoom out a little more? Yeah, I have to go to Yoshinhanj 3 first. Oh boy. So we have to warp to this system, and then we have to warp to another system. Holy crap. Blah, 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 blah. All right, we've arrived. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm trying to get out of here. What is happening? Save the freighter from pirates. I'm good. I came here to warp again. L3. High sentinel activity. Warped 5 times. I'm trying to make it 6 if it'll let me. Okay. Hyperdrive has no fuel. And what does hyperdrives take? How do I get out of here? Options. I have 2 warp cells. What do warp cells take? How to make antimatter and stuff. Is that enough to make it to the next galaxy? Yep. Labogol Manab 5. That's where an Atlas station is. So we're going. About to warp for a 6th time up in this bitch. The fact that I'm such a huge Star Trek fan, especially the Next Generation, and I have not once said engage. I'm not embarrassed of myself, but I need to do it at least once. Make it so. Okay. Whoa. Euclid Galaxy. First contact. 4 planets, 1 moon. There's another really red planet right there. Atlas interface. Visit Hyperion. Okay. Unknown planet. Undiscovered. There's a couple of planets to discover. I gotta make a cadmium drive. I gotta go see Hyperion. I mean, okay. Let's go. Wait, Hyperion was on the anomaly, wasn't he? Pretty sure. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. I was heading for the space station, and I'm like, wait, that's not right. Ooh, I almost crashed. Alright. Hyperion! Not ships aboard anymore, maybe they don't have to do their mission. Oh, no, there's one. Okie dokie. Where is Hyperion? Don't remember which one is Hyperion. Hyperion, whatever. Huh. Decline. Thank you, but I am good. I'm trying to play the main story. I really appreciate that. That was nice. But I don't want to take away from this. There's Helios. What's up, buddy? My best friend right there. Aries, how you doing, bud? Good to see you. Good to see you. I don't think either one of these are Hyperion, right? These are like visitors. Hesperus, Gemini. Yeah, I know. It's really nice to see you guys too. But I'm unfortunately very busy. It's not telling you where Hyperion is. I'm in Lobogol Manab 5. Oh, there he is. Fucking right there. We shall fly together. My work upon your wings is soaring across success. Research upgrades. Okay. I need a cadmium drive, right? Chromatic metal and a wiring loom. Okay. 3 wiring looms. I need to get back to downstairs. Okay, it's fine. Okay, okay. Install a cadmium drive. Okay, so 3 wiring looms, I have 0. And 250 chromatic metal, I have 1. Chromatic metal is refined from copper, cadmium, emerald, or indium. Do I have copper? I think I have 6. Gold, chromatic. I have 1 chromatic metal. Gold nugget. Oh boy. I think I sold or lost most of the stuff. Oh wait, here we are. Sodium. I have 113 copper. And I need... hang on. I need 250, so I need 249. What is happening? Nomad, JZ, okay, whatever. Can't. I have to go onto a planet? Are you serious? I was trying to pull out the thing to refine chromatic metal, but I can't. It's not letting me. Up is the button you press to get that stuff out. I'm going to have to leave, go to that planet nearby. Hopefully, do I have enough fuel to come back? Yeah, should be fine. Oh boy. Alright, so we'll go to the nearby planet, one of them, land, get our stuff made. Yep, here's one right here. Undiscovered. Anush. Vile brood, high sentinel activity, contaminated planet. I love it. Let's go. Arrive in 1 second. I don't care. I'm coming in. Okay, so this is a bad planet, but I'm gonna land on it anyway. Oof. I mean, landing not clear. Oh my god. There's like nothing here. What are you talking about? There we go. Come on. I'm so glad I wasted all that energy speeding towards the ground. There's a bit of a clearing over here. I see a lot of brood eggs. I better be sure not to frickin' shoot them. Yeah, it wouldn't let me pull this out. Okay, copper. First of all, fuel, carbon, bam. I need to put copper in here. Is it going to make enough? I'm going to make 56. It's better than none, I suppose. Okay, so I need to find more copper. Or what were the other... I'll have to look real quick at what the other ones were. It was on the instructions for the mission thing, objective at the bottom right. Alright. Okay. Copper, cadmium, emerald, or indium. We got health restorative, hazardous flora. Hang on. Whoa. That's cool. Okay. Whoa. What am I looking at here? Everything's underground. That's crazy. Okay. Copper deposits are really far away. 878, 639, 450. What is that? A juicy grub. The uranium deposits so far away. There's nothing out this way, like, at all. What is that now? All right. I gotta get more units for discovering stuff. Carbon, condensed carbon. Need copper. Okay, there's a copper deposit 615 units away. That's as close as it's gonna get. I'm gonna try to fly over there. I know I'll be wasting fuel, but... Is it right here? Yeah. Nice. Alright, cool. Now, I said high sentinel activity, so I need to remember where my ship is. Bolt caster, mining beam, bolt caster, mining beam. Huh. Oh, switch alt. Ah. Yeah, terrain manipulator required. Where's my terrain manipulator? Oh, it's damaged. Oh. Dihydrogen jelly, carbon nanotube. Crap, crap, crap. Ship, 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 ship. Okay. Damn it, carbon nanotubes and dihydrogen jelly. I can make carbon nanotubes. What? A soul engine? Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I need 22 more dihydrogen? Freaking crap. I see some crystals up there. I don't know if I need to wait out the storm. Oh, is it right here? There's some right here. Hell yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's going down a little faster, but not fast enough for you to panic, especially when I'm right by my ship. How much do I have now? Oh, 119. Okay. Can't believe I landed right there. Hydrogen gel. Oh, thank you. Oofa doofa. Alright, let's get out of here. Terrain manipulator. So triangle switches it. Need quite a bit more copper. Now we're doing good here. It's a lot of copper. Yes, I know, we're 10.1 rads. I'm basically dying. You're not going to be complaining about it, do you? Nothing to bitch about it. Man, this is a lot of copper. Hell yeah. I don't know if it's enough copper. Not as much as I thought it was. I'm looking at the numbers, and it's not nearly as big a numbers as I... Yeah, I'm going back to the ship. Don't worry. Ooh, I gotta hurry. Ooh, I gotta hurry. I gotta move it. Okay. I have... I'm in Starship. 301 copper. Okay. This is gonna suck because I don't know how long the storm's gonna last. I don't really want to wait, so I'm gonna get out. We're gonna do this right now. Storm's clearing. I don't know how many chromatic metal we have. 57 out of 250, so that's 100 and... No, it's not even 100 there. Okay, let's... I'll do math in a second. Okay, 150. If we have 57 and 150, still won't even be enough. Jesus Christ, I still need more copper. Alrighty. Another 150. I need, 43 more. That's kind of what I thought. There was one not too far from this one, I thought. Damage machinery. Here we go. 497. 733. 451. 705. 800. I thought there was one like... There was this one which was 800 and one that was, or this one was 600 and one that was 800. Or at least I thought so. Yeah, 161 U's. This one. Let me tag it so I don't lose it. Okay. The radiation on this planet is kind of insane. So I'll have to make this as quick as I can. Can I feed these weird underground creatures? That'd be hilarious. What's this? Ah, come on! I found some stuff. Nice. Exosuit notice. Health at maximum. Okay. We gotta be careful. It said that the Sentinel stuff here was high. And I gotta get more copper. A lot, because it takes like half the copper to make the chromatic metal. And I need 43, so I need at least probably 30 copper just to be safe. Yeah, I know, my exosuit's full. Don't worry, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I think I have enough copper, but I'm just trying to be sure. Or no, I need 40. I need at least 40. No, 80 copper. What am I talking about? And we're good. Probably. Where is my ship? This way. Get some units while we're at it. Okay. We're gonna go back to the ship. There's a knowledge stone out here. Is it right next to my ship? 153, 117? Yeah, it is. Okay, we'll go to the ship. Get out of the radiation for a second. And then, away from this plant. Away from that plant. Then we'll come back out, we'll make the rest of the chromatic metal, and then we'll see what we need to make next. Oof, we gotta make like a soul engine. I think that's what we're currently making. Like, on our way to making anyway. Okay. I only need 43 more chromatic metal, and we'll be at exactly how much we need. Alright, yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Good. I can make a ton if I needed to, but I only need 43, so... You guys can wait here for maybe 15 seconds. I completely exited out the last one, didn't make you guys watch it because it was almost a whole minute. 15 seconds isn't too bad. 3, 2, 1... And we have enough. Okay, a wiring loom from a space station terminal. I need 3. I'm sure I have enough money. Is that a planet right there? It's crazy. Well, that might be a moon. Okay, whoa, hold on. What is that? Oh, the Atlas interface. I think if I pulse engine, I'll get through the asteroid field fairly easily. Okay. Now I gotta go in here and buy a wiring loom. And some other crap. Jesus. Okay. I think I can do this without having to blow up too many of these. Oof, I hit that one. Ow. What is shooting at me? In we go. Scrap dealer. Is that what they're called? Huh. Okay. Stellar Observer. Visit the scrap dealer for new opportunities. No. I'll visit him, but it's not why I'm here. Gray market operator. These ramshackle surroundings do not suit the Vy'keen I find here. They glare at me as I approach. I know what you think, interloper. Grah! I have seen more battle than you suspect. Leave. There, I visited him. Now go away. Time to buy wiring looms. 3 of them to be exact. And I can sell some stuff while I'm here. Let me sell some stuff. I usually need that. I don't really need this. I don't really need this. I definitely need that. I may need to buy some of that. What is pugnium? No, I'm gonna sell it. Rusted metal. I don't want to sell that. Oh yeah, wait. Assembled from process. I might need that, so I'll keep it. Crystal fragment, not really worried about. A sinister shard of purple glass. Its walls are thin, may be broken down to access valuable components. I'll sell it. That's enough selling for now. Yeah. 3 wiring rooms. 3. Okay. Install the cadmium drive. Bingo. Bango. Search for a red solar system. Okay. Warping to a red system requires a cadmium drive. Okay. I don't know what a red system is, but we're about to find the frick out. Let's check our fuel. What does this need? Metal plating? Gotta make a metal plating. Said I could earlier. Can I still? Nope. What is... Pulse engine's good. Hyperdrive is good enough, I would think. Let's go. Okay. A red solar system. Whoa, what the heck? Are you telling me to go this far? Hang on. Oh no, we're already here. The Atlas interface is right there. Can I pulse drive now? Here we go. Isn't this where I'm supposed to go? I guess not. Cool. Well, unless we go to a red solar system. I thought it wanted me to go in here. If I don't need to be in here, I'm not gonna. The Atlas is crazy. Okay. Warping to a red system requires the cadmium drive, which we have now. Reach rare class red stellar bodies. Yep. Let's go ahead and get out in space a little bit. Okay. Current mission. Galactic Core 3 Explorer Black Hole Atlas Station current mission. Ah, no, it doesn't want me to go here. Okay. I thought it wanted me to follow that crazy path. I was like, that's never going to happen. Engage! See, I did it. All right. We are here. The Uzlovs, discovered by, I don't know, 2 squares with X's in it. Construct the monarch. Land on a planet with available cadmium. All planets in red systems have large cadmium deposits. Yeah. Let's just go to Ojas Tau for now. Go ahead and fly straight for the ground before we level out and find a place to land. Ojas Tau. This is like a good landing spot. Oh no, it's not. It's up in the air. It's like a, yeah. This is a good landing spot though. Didn't read much about the planet. Ooh, I was way wrong. Advanced mining laser required. can't scan those? It's crazy. Okay, collect cadmium, 120. So some of these are alive and some of them aren't. That's cool. What the hell? 266. Closest one thus far, 190. Let's just go with that. Let's make sure that's actually the closest one. 172, 862, 339. Yeah, that's going to be the closest one. And the weather is fine. Ah, what the hell? So weird. Another thing to scan? As in the height. Ooh, dihydrogen, but I'm not going to worry about it. Oh my god. Please don't run me over. Cadmium deposit. Oh, I wanted to recharge the terrain manipulator. You only recharge it to 35%. That's great. I didn't check the Sentinel activity. Oh, crap. That's fine. Not too worried about it. I only have how many? Oh, it's like a tree. Everything's made out of the same stuff and looks the same. Notes. Searches for the light. Okay. I gotta gather cadmium. Okay, now I gotta find the next closest one. That one's 1,000. 669, 800. We're at this one. 296. That ought to not be too bad. All right, I'll pause this for now so you guys don't have to watch me walk. Okay, we're at the next cadmium deposit. I think we get 69 out of 1, so you'd think 2 would be enough. 60 twice is 120, but we'll see. Got it. Okay. Harvest living pearl. Water planet detected in local system. Okay, my ship is 260 away. Alright, see you guys shortly. Alright, we're back on the ship. Now I gotta go find a water planet, apparently. Whoa. Okay. Oh, God. And I'm going to harvest a living pearl, whatever the hell that means. Give me a moment to get out of this atmosphere. I'm going to pulse drive into space. And then stop. Okay. So here's the planet you were just on. Let's look at the solar system. Okay, so we'll just tell. This looks like a water planet. Gotta find it now. I marked it on the map, didn't I? That should, like, it's on the other side of the planet we're currently following. I have to figure out where the hell I am. Aha, there it is. Let's see how fast I'll get there now. 43 seconds, alright. Whoa! It wanted me to stop and look at this. I don't know why. Incoming message. Okay. What is happening? Stimulus, light form, depolarize impulse, repolarize rest. Disconnect communicator? I guess? What am I supposed to do? No. They wanted me to stop because there's something rare. Is that it? What in the world am I supposed to do? That is crazy. What if I get close? Ooh. Nothing, okay. Capped planet. I am trying to find a water planet here. It says there's one nearby. I can't tell if this was it. A Heimel planet. It's a cold planet. And this is a capped planet. Oh, it's not even the right one. The planet I'm looking for is like over here. I think. No, that's the one I was just looking at. Aha, there it is. Let me scan it. Okay. Water planet. Oceans are visible on a planet's surface from space. So it is the one. It is this one. It says. I still don't know what I'm supposed to do here. With this. Like. That doesn't do anything. I don't want to piss it off, so what if I ignore it and head towards this? Okay, so apparently this is the right plan. Alright, we're arriving. I hope I'm doing this right. Entering the atmosphere. Nebuship V46. There's so many clouds. Holy crap. Harvest living pearl from an armored deep water clams. Oh, yeah, this is a water planet. Okay. Is there a place to land? It's got to be somewhere, right? All I'm seeing is more waves, brother. Ooh, slow down. That is a place to land. Oh, I can't see it. There we go. Slow down, land. Thank you. Oh, God. I like to harvest a pearl from a clam. Sheesh. Yeah. Go ahead and tell me what kind of planet this is. I'll tell you what kind of planet it is. Cold. Oh, it's an extreme storm. I can't be in here right now. Shoot. I don't know if this was the right call. Okay, so here's where I am now. I think there's oceans over here. It says they're visible from space. I mean, yeah, I think I need to go back here. Sorry, I don't mean to keep wasting y'all's time. Especially since I keep wasting on my pulse drive. Yeah, I'm out of here. Okay. So. Trying to see if any of these asteroids have tritium. No. Ah, that's not what I meant to hit. Okay. This says arrive in 25 minutes. Do I have anything else to help with this? Yes. Okay. Losa minor, or Lusa minor. Alright. Take me a little over a minute to get there, but I always have a full pulse drive, so shouldn't be too big of an issue. Okay, hold on. Whoa. It wanted me to check this out. What is this? It's an object of interest, apparently. I don't know if I can explore it very much. It's like weird stuff. I don't know, it told me to come out of hyperdrive to check out my object, this object of interest. Alright, back to this. Okay, so here's another object. I just feel like you guys should see some of this stuff. I found another one of the ones the other ship-looking ones, but this is a derelict freighter. Okay, well, back to this planet that I'm not sure has water on it anymore. Okay, so this planet does have water, but it doesn't look like a lot. Alluring specimen, crystal sulfide. Let's see. Let's just see. So I had to swim and use the analysis visor to find a deep water clam. So. Clam, 241 years. Okay. Actually, let's mark it. If I don't, I might forget it's there. Nice, I can use my jetpack underwater. Am I going to be above it? Like, I think so. No, not quite. Supplementary oxygen. Okay, it keeps disappearing. I need to get my terrain manipulator out. Time to come up for a little bit of air. Yeah, it's definitely like under the water, under the ground or something like that. Come on, come on. It says destination reached. Don't you lie to me. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh crap. Oh crap. Come on. Yeah, I know. Let's go. Some daisies. And we're alright. Let's get out of here. Craft metal plating. Harvest a what? Sploosh. Oh, it's an oxygen sac in case you're underwater too long. Alright. I'm gonna get out of the water and make some metal plating, I guess. Well, alright, I should have enough to make all 3 metal platings now. Boom, okay. Construct the soul engine. 3 metal plating, a living pearl, and 120 cadmium. Good lord. I created a soul engine, everybody. I don't know what is next. Purchase wiring looms. I gotta go purchase more wiring looms? Really? Oh. Target outside local system. What do you mean? I had to purchase wiring looms. I just need a space station. Is there not a space station out here? There should be. Like, really? Current mission. Oh no, there's not a space station here. Hyperdrive has no fuel. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. God. Antimatter and antimatter housing. Antimatter, chromatic metal, and condensed carbon. Oh boy. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to land somewhere and do a few things. But I was actually just thinking about calling this one here. It's been really fun, but like I said, I have a bunch of stuff I need to do. I'll probably do that off the channel. And then when I come back the next time I play this, I'll try to just be over here by the space station. But thank you everybody so much for watching. Like I said, I know it's been a while since I've come out here and played. When was my last save? A minute ago. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'll land on one of the planets and save, and that's, you know, like I said, I'll do a few things off the channel so we can move the story along with this mind arc. I think we're doing to like talk to Artemis or something, even though he's very much dead. But like I said, thank you for watching and thank you for being patient with all this. It's been a mess, obviously, but I will get back to it as often as I can. And like I said, when I finish Doom Eternal, I'll have a lot more time for this, and there might be some changes coming, but I don't want to get too into that on a freaking No Man's Sky video, especially if the changes don't actually happen. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, leave your comments, all that stuff. The W Energy plug, as always, dubbyenergy.gg, and enter my code JT channel in all caps. You'll get 10% off your order for a jitterless and sugar-free energy drink. Until next time, this is JT channel. I am JT. We got a lot of work to do, and I'll see you in the next one.